Built in 1867, Birnbeck Pier is the only pier in Britain that links the mainland to an island. Once a bustling Victorian attraction with steamships, rides and thousands of visitors, it later played a secret role in World War II. After declining in the late 20th century, it closed in 1994 and fell into disrepair. But today, plans are underway to restore this unique piece of seaside history. Out in the Bristol Channel, where the tides move endlessly between land and horizon, just beyond the shorelines of Weston-super-Mare, something begins to emerge through the sea air. It's a structure, distant at first, weathered, quiet, and almost forgotten. Standing alone against the elements, this is Birnbeck Pier. Opened in 1867 during the height of Britain's Victorian seaside era, this pier was never just a walkway. It was built as a connection linking the mainland to Birnbeck Island. Even today it remains the only pier in the country to reach an island in this way. This place wasn't always silent. In its early years, Birnbeck Pier was alive with energy. Steamships crossed the Bristol Channel daily, bringing thousands of visitors from across the region. Families, travellers, day trippers, all arriving here, stepping off boats and onto the pier. Music carried across the water and voices filled the air. The island became a destination with pavilions, amusements, and the excitement of something different. For many, it was more than just a visit, it was an experience. But Birnbeck was more than just entertainment. It also served a vital purpose. A lifeboat station was based here, launching into dangerous waters and saving lives in harsh conditions. And during the Second World War, the pier took on a very different role. Used by the military, it became part of a secret testing ground, linked to experimental weapons development. A quiet seaside landmark, connected to one of the most significant moments in modern history. But as time passed, the world began to change. Travel evolved, holidays moved further afield, and slowly the crowds began to disappear. The steamships stopped coming, the energy that once defined this place faded away. By 1994, Birnbeck Pier was closed. Left to the elements, year after year, storms, tides and neglect took their toll. Sections collapsed, structures weakened. What remains today is both striking and haunting. place suspended between past and present, where every beam and walkway tells a story. But this is not the end. Work has now started and in motion to restore Birnbeck Pier, to preserve its history and reimagine its future. A bridge between land and sea, between past and possibility. Birnbeck Pier, waiting for its next chapter.